Good morning, students. Welcome to our science class. We were doing chapter housing and clothing. We will continue this chapter with page number 184. Pakka house. Since the kacha houses were not very strong, with time men learned to use cement, brick, wood, steel, iron to build strong houses. Okay, since kacha houses were not very strong. So, what is the need? There is a need to make pakka house. So, with time, men learned to make houses with the help of cement, brick, wood, steel, iron, etc. These houses are pakka houses. These houses are called pakka houses, which are made up of cement, brick, wood, steel and iron. A pakka house is a very strong house, mostly seen in towns and cities. Pakka house is a very strong house. Okay, mostly pakka houses are seen in towns and cities. There are different types of pakka houses like bungalows and flats. Bungalows and flats are pakka houses. These are made up of wood, bricks, cement, steel and iron. These are very strong. Fact: Indira Awas Yojana is a government of India's social welfare program. India Awas Yojana. It is government of India's social welfare program. It was developed to help the rural poor throughout the country by providing them with houses. Okay, with the help of this Yojana, rural area, the poor people who are living in rural areas, they are provided with houses. Okay, now a good house. A house should be clean and airy. A house should be clean and airy. So, such a house is a good house. The house which is clean and airy, that or ventilated, that is called a good house. A good house keeps us healthy. Because it is airy or ventilated and clean, microbes do not grow, so it keeps us healthy. A house is a good house if it has the following qualities. A house can be called as a good house if it has following qualities. If it has following qualities. Number 1, it should have big windows. Windows should be big and doors to let the sunlight and fresh air enter in the house. In house there should be big windows and doors which let the sunlight and fresh air to enter into the house. Sunlight kills the germs. Sunlight kills the germs, microbes which cause diseases, and fresh air keeps us healthy. We respire in air, so fresh air keeps us healthy. It should have a high roof and thick walls. Good house should have a high roof and thick walls. The high roof lets the fresh air spread. High roof lets the fresh air spread. And thick walls keep the house warm in winter and cool in summer. If the house has thick walls, then these walls will help in winters in keeping house warm and in summers to make it cool. There should be a wire netting on the windows and doors to prevent the entry of mosquitoes and other insects. In windows there should be wire netting, okay, which can prevent mosquitoes and other insects to come inside the house. Okay, doors and windows of a house should be big, like this, so that it will remain airy, and sunlight which will come, that will kill the germs and we will remain healthy. Now I'm going to translate all this. First of all, pakka house. Since the kacha houses were not very strong, with time men learned to use cement, brick, wood, स्टील, आयरन टू बिल्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग हाउसेज. क्योंकि कच्चे जो हाउसेज थे वो स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं थे, इसीलिए विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम मैन ने लर्न किया टू मेक हाउसेज विद द हेल्प ऑफ, किसकी हेल्प से? सीमेंट, ब्रिक, वुड, स्टील और आयरन की हेल्प से घर बनाना शुरू कर दिया. एंड दीज हाउसेज आर कॉल्ड पक्का हाउसेज. इन हाउसेज को क्या बोलते हैं? पक्का हाउसेज. A pakka house is a very strong house, mostly seen in the towns and city. पक्का हाउस एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हाउस होता है जो मोस्टली टाउन्स और सिटीज़ में हमें देखने को मिलते हैं. There are different types of पक्का houses like bungalows and flats. जो पक्का हाउसेज हैं वो बंगलो भी हो सकते हैं, फ्लैट्स भी हो सकते हैं. इन दिस फैक्ट व्हाट इज रिटन? इंदिरा आवास योजना, जो कि एक गवर्नमेंट की एक सोशल वेलफेयर प्रोग्राम है, ये क्यों डेवलप किया गया था? इसको डेवलप किया गया था टू हेल्प द रूरल पुअर थ्रू आउट द कंट्री. जो ग्रामीण गरीब लोग हैं पूरे देश में, उनको हाउसेस प्रोवाइड करने के लिए इस योजना को डेवलप किया गया था. A good house. A house should be clean and airy. एक हाउस जो है वो क्लीन होना चाहिए, साफ सुथरा और एयरी होना चाहिए, वेंटिलेटेड, जिसमें से हवा क्रॉस हो सके. Such a house is a good house. ऐसे हाउस को हम क्या बोलते हैं? गुड हाउस. A good house keeps us healthy. एक गुड हाउस हमें हेल्दी रखता है. What do you mean by healthy? Good in health. A house is a good house if it has following qualities. एक हाउस को हम अच्छा हाउस बोल सकते हैं अगर उसमें ये फॉलोइंग नीचे दी हुई क्वालिटीज होंगी. It should have big windows and doors into the house. It should have big windows and doors to let the sunlight and fresh air enter into the house. इसके अंदर क्या होनी चाहिए? बिग, बड़ी बड़ी विंडोज़ और डोर्स होने चाहिए जो कि सनलाइट को और फ्रेश एयर को अंदर आने दें. सनलाइट किल द जर्म्स एंड फ्रेश एयर कीप्स अस हेल्दी. सनलाइट जर्म्स, माइक्रोब्स को किल करती है और फ्रेश एयर हमें हेल्दी रखती है. It should have high roof and thick walls. The high roof let the fresh air spread and thick wall keep the house warm in winter and cool in summer. इसकी हाई रूफ, ऊंची रूफ, छत होनी चाहिए. थिक वॉल्स, मोटी वॉल्स होनी चाहिए, दीवारें. द रूफ लेट्स द फ्रेश एयर. जो हाई रूफ होगी तो क्या होगा? फ्रेश एयर स्प्रेड होगी, आसपास फैल जाएगी. और थिक वॉल्स होंगी तो विंटर में गर्म रहेंगी और समर में कूल रहेंगी. There should be a wire netting on the windows and doors to prevent the entry of mosquitoes and other insects. नेट क्या होनी चाहिए? डोर्स और विंडोज़ में वायर की नेटिंग, जालियाँ होनी चाहिए, जिससे ना तो मॉस्किटो और ना ही कोई अदर इंसेक्ट घर के अंदर एंटर कर सके. लाइक दिस. Okay students, today we will do till here only. Watch the video carefully and read the chapter. Now I'll discuss some word meanings of these paragraphs of page number 184. Okay, word meanings. Spread. Spread means open out or increase. These are the words which we used in this page. Germs, microbe. Prevent, stop. Healthy, well or in good health. These are the word meanings. Okay, these words are on this page. Okay students, bye bye.